Imagine holding a piece of glass so impossibly thin, so deceptively powerful, that it makes every single flagship phone on the market today feel like an absolute brick. You think you know what Apple is planning next, but the leaks that have just surfaced from the deepest corners of Apple's supply chain tell a completely different, mind-blowing story. Forget the standard upgrades. Forget the incremental camera bumps and slightly faster chips. What Apple is secretly building behind closed doors in Cupertino is not just another smartphone. It is a complete reset of the entire tech industry. They're calling it the iPhone Air 2, and what it brings to the table is so incredibly futuristic that it might completely cannibalize their own Pro lineup. If you're even thinking about buying a new phone anytime soon, you need to stop right now, because what I am about to reveal in this video changes absolutely everything. You're going to want to hear every single detail of this, because the smartphone market, as we know it, is about to be completely obliterated. Let's go back for a second and look at the Air branding. Whenever Apple uses the word Air, history is made. Think about Steve Jobs pulling the original MacBook Air out of a manila envelope. It was a cultural reset. It changed laptops forever. Then came the iPad Air, completely redefining how thin and light a tablet could be while still packing incredible power. Now, Apple is preparing to bring that legendary moniker back to their biggest moneymaker, the iPhone. But why now? And why the iPhone Air 2? The truth is, smartphone design has stagnated. Every company, including Apple, has hit a wall. Phones are getting heavier, thicker, and more unwieldy just to fit massive camera sensors and bigger batteries. Consumers are suffering from upgrade fatigue. Apple knows this. They know that to trigger another massive supercycle of upgrades, they cannot just give us an iPhone 16 or 17 with a slightly brighter screen. They need a miracle of engineering. And that miracle is the iPhone Air 2. The most jaw-dropping aspect of the iPhone Air 2 is, without a doubt, its design and form factor. According to highly classified supply chain leaks, Apple has developed a completely new proprietary titanium alloy mixed with liquid metal components. This allows the chassis to be impossibly rigid while being shockingly thin. We are talking about a device that is rumored to be less than 5 millimeters thick. To put that into perspective, it is almost half the thickness of the current Pro models. When you hold it, it will literally feel like a floating screen in the palm of your hand. But how do you prevent a phone that thin from bending? Apple has patented a unique internal honeycomb structure, inspired by aerospace engineering, that distributes force evenly across the entire frame. This means the iPhone Air 2 won't just be the thinnest phone in the world. It will be mathematically one of the most durable. And here is the craziest part. The camera bump is completely gone. Yes, you heard that correctly. For the first time in nearly a decade, Apple has managed to engineer a totally flush back panel. How did they achieve a completely flat camera module without sacrificing image quality? The answer lies in groundbreaking periscope and meta-lens technology. Traditional smartphone cameras require physical depth to focus light, which is why your current phone wobbles on a flat table. Apple has reportedly invested billions into a new optical system that bends light horizontally within the ultra-thin chassis of the iPhone Air 2 before hitting the sensor. This means you're getting flagship-tier optical zoom and incredibly massive light intake without the ugly protrusion on the back. Combine this with an entirely new, AI-driven computational photography engine, and the iPhone Air 2 will literally see in the dark, capturing cinematic video and breathtaking photos that rival professional DSLR cameras. The entire back of the phone is rumored to be a single, seamless sheet of specialized matte textured glass that defies fingerprints and feels like absolute luxury. But a beautiful, incredibly thin phone means nothing if it dies in 2 hours, right? This is where the iPhone Air 2 completely rewrites the laws of physics. Apple is introducing solid-state battery technology. Unlike the lithium-ion batteries that have powered our devices for decades, solid-state batteries are much safer, run dramatically cooler, and most importantly, pack an insanely high energy density into a microscopic footprint. Leaks suggest that despite being impossibly thin, The iPhone Air 2 will boast a battery life that outperforms the current Pro Max models. Imagine a phone that is lighter than a feather but can easily last 2 full days of heavy usage on a single charge. And when you do need to charge it, the introduction of a new graphene-based MagSafe technology will push wireless charging speeds into the stratosphere, going from 0 to 70% in less than 15 minutes without generating any degrading heat. Powering this unbelievable machine is the next-generation silicon, allegedly named the A19 or even A20 Bionic, built on an unprecedented 2-nanometer fabrication process. This chip isn't just about loading apps faster. It is a dedicated, absolute monster for on-device artificial intelligence. Apple has been quietly building a massive AI ecosystem, and the iPhone Air 2 is the ultimate Trojan horse for it. Every single core of this new processor is optimized to run localized, hyper-advanced large language models right from your pocket, without ever needing an internet connection. Siri will no longer be a simple voice assistant. It will become a sentient, proactive digital brain that anticipates your needs before you even realize them. It will instantly edit videos, compose complex documents, manage your entire schedule, and analyze the world through your camera in real time, all with zero latency. This level of power packed into a chassis so thin is an engineering feat that companies like Samsung and Google are currently decades away from achieving. The display on the iPhone Air 2 is also undergoing a radical transformation. Say goodbye to the dynamic island. While it was a fun software trick to hide the front-facing camera, Apple's ultimate goal has always been an uninterrupted, pure, bezel-less canvas. Leaks from display manufacturers point to a revolutionary under-display, Face ID, and camera system. The screen will be a next-generation micro-OLED panel, offering brightness levels that will make the sun look dim and infinite contrast ratios that make colors explode off the glass. And because of the new micro-OLED technology, the refresh rate will seamlessly drop from a buttery smooth 120 Hz all the way down to a static 0 Hz, consuming absolutely zero power when displaying a static image or an always-on display. The bezels will be non-existent. The entire front of the device will simply be pure, unadulterated content bleeding right over the micro-curved edges of the titanium frame.